Hey, welcome, fellas. Hope you are having a good time here. This pandemic has been really frustrating for all the guys up here. I was also written a lot lately. I have covered hyperlinking a lot in one of my videos, but I felt I rattled away with it quite fast. So today I will be covering it one step at a time. So what's the delay? Let's begin. So I have my Visual Studio Code open with me right now. Let me just create a new file here. So I press Ctrl N, name it internal hyperlinking with html.html, and yeah, let, let me now fill it up with the basic boilerplate code. By the way, if you want to know how I got the code, let me just clear it. I press exclamation mark, that is shift and a numeric 1 key on the keyboard, press enter, and I get the basic HTML boilerplate code. Now I have created a Word document. Let me just show it to you guys. Now, as you can see, this Word document has a table of contents at the top with the 4 headings: record of plan approval and update, signature page, plain revisions log, and appendix. Below the table of content, I have each subsection containing the description of each heading, that is, record of plan approval and update, signature plan, plan revisions log, and appendix. Let us now assume that we have a feature that whenever we click on one of the headings of the table of content section, I want to be navigated to that subsection of the page. So I click on the record of plan approval and update. I want to be navigated to the heading record of plan approval and update, and so on and so forth. This kind of habit can be done in MS Word by creating bookmarks on each section. So I create a bookmark for record of plan approval and update. So I select it, go to insert bookmark, type the name of the bookmark, and select add. I do the same for the rest of the headings. These bookmarks will be the sections at which we would be directed on clicking on the headings on the table of contents. Now it's time to make the hyperlinks that will refer to each of the bookmark. So I will select the text to be made a hyperlink, go to insert hyperlink, and select bookmark. In the bookmark dialog box, select the bookmark to which we want this link to refer to. So I select record plan bookmark and press OK. Now I select the bookmarks for the remaining headings also in a similar way. Notice that the links are now highlighted in blue, indicating that the hyperlinks have been attached. Now let us click on each of the heading to see if the hyperlink works. So I click on the links and see on clicking we get navigated away to the correct subsection of the page. This kind of hyperlinking, in which on clicking a link we are directed to another section of the same document, is known as internal hyperlinking. So by means of internal hyperlinking, we can create link to different subsections of the page and give a better user experience. Notice that the links are now highlighted in purple instead of blue, indicating that the links have been visited at least once. This type of internal hyperlinking can also be implemented in our HTML documents. How to do it? Don't worry, I'm here to tell you that. So I'm here with the HTML document containing the basic boilerplate code for the HTML documents. Firstly, I create each of the headings inside an h1 tag: record of plan approval and update, signature page, plan revision log, and appendix. Having created each of the headings, I also create the gibberish text under each head. So I take each of the heading, do lorem 200 to fill the headings with dummy text. Let me just quickly do it. So let me just open the live server, and yes, we get the appropriate output. Now let us attach the bookmarks or mark different sections on our HTML document. So first we have the content of first heading. I mark it as section 1. Also, I give the reference to this section by passing it in the href property of the anchor tag. So we have rightly tied our hyperlink with the content. Or in other words, we have tied our hyperlink with the bookmarks. I will also do the same for the rest of the sections. I again open the file and see we have the heading in blue, indicating that the hyperlinks have now been set. I click each of the hyperlink and it happily scrolls to the appropriate section on the page. See now, on clicking the hyperlink, it becomes purple, indicating that the hyperlinks have been visited at least once. So this is how we can implement hyperlinks in HTML. If you are liking this series of videos, do consider subscribing to iTalk Code. Your support will definitely help us grow and we will post more awesome videos just like this one. Share this video to your friends and family and spread the light of learning. Till then, happy coding.